A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby.
Hey, hey, beautiful babes. Welcome back into Sugar Fingers. Your girl, Sweet Angel here. Today, guess what? We have some goodies that came over from MADAMGLAM, and I want to thank MADAMGLAM so much for gifting me these wonderful items that I so much needed. Just some tools and accessories that are so helpful in getting your nails a-okay. So let me go ahead and proceed to share with you exactly what I have. Just a tiny little haul that I wanted to share. Okay, so the first thing we have is these MADAMGLAM gel removal nail clips. Y'all, I needed some more of these because mine were shot to the curb. I could only find maybe 3 or 4 of them that would actually work. So if I wanted to soak off all my nails at one time, it wasn't going to happen. So these are used to remove the soak off gels. This is used with any of the MADAMGLAM lint-free cotton wipes or cotton balls or whatever you have. These are cute though. Look at them. Oh my gosh. So it's a set of 10. So adorable. I'm loving these so much. Oh my goodness. In fact, they make me want to go ahead and do my nails again. Okay, so cute. Check that out. The back of them are open there, and they're little clips. So, oh my goodness, they are called touch screen. They're open right here because you can use your hands during this time because these clips are touch screen friendly. Your fingertips go in, and you can still use the ball there of your finger to tap on your screen, to use your phone. I love that. And just mesh them on and they stay in place and the back of your finger still gets air to it. I'm loving that so much. I think that is so cute. So what I'm going to do is just keep them in this tray for safekeeping, already ready to go and be used. They have the MADAMGLAM name on them as well. This is so adorable, and you can find all of this great stuff on the MADAMGLAM website, which I will go ahead and put my link below for y'all, so you'll have it along with a great 30% discount, so off of your entire purchase. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Go ahead and shop the site now for these amazing little clamps to go on for your soak off gel manicures. Amazing. And I'm pretty sure you probably can use them for any type of soak off, but just specifically, just letting you know, that is what MADAMGLAM has intended for them to soak off the gel manicures. So beautiful. So they also sent me over a file, a 240 MADAMGLAM New York file. I'm super excited about this, and I'm really ready to get to using it. So I'm probably going to use it on my next manicure, which won't be long because I'm still doing some summer nails. Yes, I am. It is summertime, and I'm going to do away with my LV nails and get me some more summertime beautiful neon colors going on. I have some MADAMGLAM nail polishes that I'm just dying to use again while it's time to use these bright beautiful colors, so I look forward to that. But this is the nail file, so I'm going to set that aside for my next manicure. And oh wow, just what the doctor ordered. I needed a nice brush. It's a nail art brush, like gels, nice tiny little bristles on it, so it's going to be perfect for doing my next, who knows, swerving. You remember I had trouble when I was doing these before because my brush just wasn't, the appropriate one. Now I have a good one. Thank you, MADAMGLAM. So cute, so cute. And then the final item here, which is packaged so nicely, you must admit, that's some darling packaging, y'all. Check that out. And inside of here, guess what you have? You have your cuticle pusher. You have nice cuticle pusher. Oh my gosh, yes. Your girl is gonna have no cuticles at all. Because I have the perfect tools in this beautiful, this is rose gold, I believe, and it is so pretty. Look at there, y'all. That looks so expensive. That looks nice, but you can have all of this stuff 30% off your entire purchase. Go check out Madam Glam's website. I have my link below, and also check out my nice coupon code going across the screen for you. Do that, do that. And I'm so thankful that Madam Glam shared all of these goodies with me. Yes, I am. Super, super nice. Voila, there we go. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. And y'all, check out the site. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. But please, if you enjoyed today's video, if you like my goodies here, please make sure you like the video. Let me know that you did. That'll help me out so much. And in the meantime and in between time, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and make sure you always keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. Toodles!
Baby, I'm sure we lost track of time.